Welcome this video title Maximize Space with Story Stair Far Left Bed. Introducing left bed have become increasingly popular in modern living space, especially in urban premium. Those elevate sleep solved not only add a touch of uniqueness to a room, but also serve a practically purpose by maximizing flow space to further enhance the functionality of left bed. Mean homeowner are turned to story stair as a clean and space save solved. We will explore the benefit and create possibility that story stair bring to left bed design. Space optimization, one of the primary advantage by incorporating story stair into a left bed design, it the affecting use of space, tranquility, ladders mean be functional, but that trick the add unit that story stair provide by turn and stop into a story compartment. Homeowner can make square most inch of even tranquility draw space into a valuable resource for originalization and story. In smart living space, cut can could become a significant income story. Stair address this problem by often design space of image that mid environment have space it at a